You'll want to set some collection and confirmation settings before sending out your form. To do this, click on the gear icon up in the top right corner, and it'll give you your settings options. First of all, who can respond? The default is anyone at our school district, 728, but you can change that to anyone if you choose. Anyone would be good if you're giving the survey beyond the walls of our school system. Then you can choose to collect the respondent's username. Basically, it'll be their email address. If you check that, the email address will appear on the form results. You can choose to limit them to only one response. That does require a login, but if they're at school, that shouldn't be an issue anyway. Otherwise, they can give unlimited responses, and it'll just keep adding to the spreadsheet of results. The confirmation page that they get at the end, you can add a personalized message. You could just do like a thank you, or some people have put in like a web address or someplace they'd like the person to travel to after completing the survey. Or maybe it's the next steps that should be completed. Then show respondents a link to. There's a link that will embed. If you click this one, submit another response link will be there so they can turn another one in. Of course, this would have to be unchecked up here. Edit their response. That allows them to go back and change their responses that they've submitted or entered into the form, especially if there's multiple pages on the form. And then this one allows them to see a summary of the results when they're finished. So they would see little charts and graphs showing how other people responded. If you have multiple pages, you may want to turn on this progress bar. It shows them how far they are in the completion of the survey. And then if it's more of a testing type survey where you're using it for summative or formative assessment, you may want to shuffle the question orders so that they all get a different version. It minimizes the opportunity to cheat. So then, of course, save your choices there, and you are now ready to send out the form.